Greybeard is out giving problem again.
One more. Let me go now, please. Let me go now.
The general in the business are going to check it and come and say, when the brown told them, they walk up dance gate and everything. I say, this is what you. I mean, you say it's not a police officer. Ease yourself for you. Ease yourself, yeah? Ease yourself. Ease yourself. Ease yourself, my brother.
It's not nothing to do with it.
Yes, because you come and tell some lies, my business and you affect the
Fix it now, please.
You never fix it good. You come from grab me up like a thief for your police officer.
First, one more battle. Yeah? That's all me I say. Let's first one more.
Yeah? First one more. You think you're police?
First one more.
Go back, catch my hand.
First one more. First one more. That's all I'm saying.
What go on here now?
No,
you have a meet here. You have a meet here. You have a meet here.
What's the word?
I'm my mouth. We can cut it and go to your feet and court. I'm my mouth. You think me don't know the law?
If you left it on, man, I'll